Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen.
Peanut Butter Hazelnut Bars are a quick and easy dessert and snack that are easy to make and can be refrigerated. These bars will be featured at the Cane's Rooftop Cafe, the new Oncology Patient Tower at the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute, Sarasota campus. Welcome to all visitors, staff, and patients. Peanut butter, hazelnuts, and peanuts are a good plant-based protein. They contain vitamins and minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, all which can decrease inflammation. Nuts contain mono and polyunsaturated fats, or the desirable fats. They can also help you maintain a healthy cholesterol level. Sweet desserts and snacks do contain calories and fat and should be used in moderation. If you are a cancer survivor who is trying to maintain weight or finding it challenging to regain weight, these bars can be used as part of a healthy eating plan.